Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you an AI tool that improves and enhances images and does a lot of things. As you know, AI is pretty big now and this tool has a lot of good features. So let me show you some of the features. It's called Booltool. Hopefully I said it right, Booltool. And some of the features that are available: portrait background remover, object background remover, quick eraser, and so forth. It's got some AI copywriting tools as well, some video tools which are coming out soon. So like a video enhancer and the ability to remove the background in an actual video and removing things or erasing things in a video as well. So let me show you the tool. You have the options here to do the image enhancing features, the copyright tools, and the video tools. So it's got the video enhancer at the moment. So I'm just gonna pick the portrait background remover. I'm just gonna drag and drop an image. So I'm just gonna add a portrait photo. Here we go, it's analyzing the model. Let's see what it does. It's taking a little while. And then you can use this AI generate tool as well. So now it's processing. Okay, oh, that's done a really good job. So it's removed the background from the photo and it's just left the portrait image. As you can see, it's done a really good job. You can't see the background anymore. So what you can do now is download this image. So you can download and save it. What does this edit do? Oh yeah, you can change the brush size so that it makes it finer on the edges. Repair. So you got to reset this and see repair, but at the moment it's done a pretty good job. So you can click on this and it'll show you the original photo, and this is the AI removed background photo. So it's done a really good job. Now here, let's see, add the background. So you can add a background or let's generate one. Let's see if there's any AI generate. Let's see whether there's any good ones here. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, so it just adds that background. What about this one? It would be good if there was a prompt to generate a actual custom AI image. There's just colors here, which is very basic, but it's pretty good. You can add that image as here, or you can upload your own background. So that's a pretty good feature. Let's move on to the other features. Now let's move on to the next feature. Let's have a look at object background remover. So I've got an image. I'm gonna drag and drop here. So now it's uploading, it's processing. So it's a picture with a couple of birds out at the beach. So let's see what it can do. There you go, removed some of the background. And it kept the object. Let's have a look, what are the options? Brush it, repair. There. Let's see what that does, if it does anything. No. It did remove those little balls here, floating balls. And once again, you can generate the background for this. Let's see what AI generate. Go with that. Not very good here, but that's what it does. Let's try the object eraser. This will be very similar to the Google eraser on Google Photos. Okay, so now we've got this little icon where you can select what you want to remove. So I'm just going to select this cone, this floating cone, and now it's processing and it's gone. You can see a little bit of the shadow here, but definitely the cone is gone. Let me see if I remove this boat here. Let's see what it does. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's actually removed that boat. You can change the size of the brush down here. So as you can see, if you've got something that's very small and very fine, you can decrease the size of this brush. You can zoom in. So let me zoom into this. I want to remove this. Just little something that's floating in the water. And yep, that's moved. That's pretty good. So now let's see if I can remove this other boat that has the sail here that is in between the background and also the sea or the water. Let's see what it does when I try to remove this. I'm going to highlight the pole as well and the boat. Okay, let's see what it does. Now this uses some AI algorithm, machine learning algorithm to process the image and erase the image. And look at that, that's pretty perfect. It removed that boat and also the sail poles. That's brilliant. That's not bad. Look at this. Look what I was able to remove. Ah, that's really good. You can see also the quality has also changed a little bit, but that's great. Perfect. Really impressed with this one here. Okay, let's see what else does it have. Image enhancer. Guess it's meant to improve the image. Let's see if it does anything with this. Yes, you probably can get a blurred image and then you might improve it. Oh yeah, it's improved some of the colors, made it a bit brighter. The water looks a bit better. Yeah, so that's enhanced it. Filters and effects. Let's add this other image. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. 4 screen, basically adding like filters, changing the colors, making it grainy, making it bright, putting in a frame. Yep, that's the filter options. Image resizer. Try this one here. Ah yes, you can change the resize the image, which is not bad. You can see that it's changing the aspect ratio, and you can drag it so that if the image fits in that area. It doesn't look like you're losing any quality as well, so that's pretty good. Image compressor. What does that do? It compresses the image. Let's see what if there's no compression and high compression. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty bad. So you lose the quality of the image, like with anything. If you're making an image smaller and compress it, you will lose the quality. But in hindsight, you will save space, disk space, photo animation. Okay, now I'm going to try the photo animation effects. So I don't have a particular photo to upload, so I'll just use one of these ones, just an example. I'm going to pick this one here. It looks like something from the Matrix. And you've got here the different photo effects. So if you select snowfall, it's got this snowfall effect, which looks pretty good. Just say if you've got the solar flare effect, you've got the solar flare just passing by. and that looks great. If you needed some sort of animation effect, the shake, there you go, shakes. So you can upload any photo and it will apply these effects on the right hand side. Okay, so I'm going to try the background blur now. Now with the background blur, you can upload a picture. In this case, I'm just going to select a picture, and then what it's doing now, it's analyzing the photo, and it will try to use AI. There you go, uses AI to blur the background. You've got a little bar here where you can select how much blur you want to do. So as you can see, as you're sliding it, it increases the blur, but it retains the image automatically, so it knows what it shouldn't blur out and what the focus is, and you can decrease and increase the blur. So those are the image tools that is available on Booltool. Now you've got the copywriting tools down here as well, so let's try these ones. Write a blog article about AI image tools. Let's see what that generates. And here we go, the output. Okay, so that's the output that it generated. Let's see, okay, it's got little emojis to rate how well the output is. You can copy it and it just returned that much. Let's see where we can increase, write a 800 word blog article about image tools and the benefits. Let's try that. So this is okay. It doesn't actually, it's not a prompt writer, so that it's just rewriting. This is, I guess, yeah, the Paraphraser. So it basically tries to reword it. So whatever you put in here, which is a maximum of 1200 characters, which is quite a bit, it will spit it out here in a different way, which is nice and handy to have. What about the sugar comments? Enter the keywords of your comments and let our tool sweeten your words. Example. Okay. This is a great review of this AI tool. Let's see what the output is. Okay. Oh, that's not bad. So you can actually copy these and put it as a comment. So just say if you're on a YouTube video and you want to put in a comment and you want to generate a specific output, you can use this tool and it will spit out different comments. Photo storytelling. Okay, let's see what this does. Let's try this one here. So I've put in an image. I guess it's going to try to analyze and generate an AI text describing what this image is about. Let's see what the result is. The man stood on a street corner, the brim of his black hat casting a shadow over his sharp features. His eye, oh, that's not bad. So it analyzed the image and it tried to describe it, and it's pretty detailed. I mean, there is a black hat. It was hidden in the shade. I guess the sunglasses. The lips were twisted in a sly smile. Maybe not. There was something about dense of danger, mystery that drew people towards him. He seemed to know something they didn't, something important and secret, and he walked down the crowded sidewalk. Okay, so some of it seemed pretty accurate. The rest, I guess it automatically generated it. It sounded very AI-ish. That's the storytelling part. Now you've also got the video tool enhancer, so you can upload a video. Okay, now this is not available on the current plan that I am on, but if you upgrade it, you will have this option where you can remove the background and generate a lot of you can enhance the video image. And so far so good. Yeah, so it's not a bad tool. I'll probably be using these image tools and these copywriting tools. Later on I'll see whether I need to upgrade to the more advanced features for the videos, but it seems like an awesome tool to use. I'll put a link in the description. There's specials at the moment, so you may be able to get a discount. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can get future discounts on other products as well. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I'll see you next time.